Hey guys, this is Computer Headquarters with the Star Wars Edition NVIDIA Titan XP video cards. We managed to grab two of these off of Craigslist and just figured we'd show them off because they're pretty cool. These are no different than a standard Titan XP, P for Pascal architecture. These cards are very similar in performance as far as gaming goes to a 1080 Ti or an RTX 2080. Obviously that features ray tracing over these cards. And they're slightly worse than an RTX 3070 if it actually existed. They come in two flavors. There's the Galactic Empire, it looks like, flavor here, the dark side, and then this one's the Jedi Order, being the light side. And we're just gonna unbox the cards and show them off. So I guess we'll start by grabbing this guy here. Show it to the camera like that. Go ahead and slide the top off here. This is easily the coolest packaging I've ever seen for a video card. Comes with its own sort of like display case. This is the Jedi Order one, of course. Gonna go ahead and remove this. You can see it's got the logo on the side here. It's pretty awesome. It has like this whole stand to hold it up. Take the card itself out. You can see the card itself has a sort of like a weather treated look to it. It looks like kind of worn on purpose. At least that's what I'm assuming. And obviously when it's viewed from the way it's meant to be installed, it looks like a lightsaber. It's pretty awesome. This is all gonna light up, assuming it works, you know, Craigslist, who knows? Got like your little like on button for your lightsaber right here. Takes an 8-pin and a 6-pin power connector. Got the back plate here. It's got the Star Wars logo. It's got the Lucasfilm Limited logo, your serial number, etc. Other than that, it's pretty much your standard NVIDIA sort of founder style card. And yeah. The box itself has this neat little compartment hidden down here that slides out, which is also neatly branded. Coming apart. It's got a, what do we got here? DVI to DisplayPort adapter, it looks like. And a quick start guide or manual. Hopefully if you're dropping $1,200 on a video card, you don't need a manual to install it, but maybe you're a Star Wars fan with a lot of money and you're just getting into PC gaming or something, I don't know. I actually should note that right here has an SLI bridge. So theoretically, I guess you could throw both of these guys together and have a very like lightsaber dual theme to build. We can go ahead and grab our dark side guy now. Get this off. Whoa, our display guy kind of got caught. Same deal here. Got the Empire logo on the casing. This is definitely like a much cleaner look to it. It's got the whole like little Galactic Empire logo here. I personally kind of hate the lettering. I would have preferred for it just to be like the crystal and have it be red. But it also looks like a lightsaber from the side. Same deal, similar backplate, Star Wars logo, etc. It's just darker. And yeah, same deal with the SLI bridge here. Overall, it's like a twin, but you know, different. A fraternal twin, if you will. Then we're gonna take them to a test bench and show off the lights and everything in the video card. that wraps it up for the Titan XP Collector's Edition Star Wars cards. If you are going to think about purchasing these cards, I would recommend only doing so if you really like the aesthetic of the cards, or if you really like Star Wars, or just like throwing away money. The cards are Titan XPs, so their performance has been well established since 2017. If you're interested in benchmarks or whatever, we're not going to cover that here, as so many people have already done that over the years. They're no different than a 1080 Ti, again, for gaming, just a reminder. They just have an extra 1 GB of VRAM, and they're nearly identical to 2080s in performance as well. So if you really like Star Wars and can find these used somewhere, as they're likely not available anymore, new, then check them out.